What is happening, NAIFA Wyoming members? This is Rob Zaberski. Some of you watching this video may remember me from the program we did a couple months ago actually. Some of you have no idea who I am. Here's why you're watching this video. We're gonna be coming to town on July 31st. I'm putting together a program called Train Your Brain for Success Live. What this is, it's a live one-day workshop where we're gonna really dive in and workshop a lot of the concepts that we talked about at the statewide convention. So we're gonna do a deeper dive into that whole how your mind creates your life thing, help you learn how to really tap into the power of your subconscious in order to get your goals to start chasing you down instead of vice versa. We're gonna spend a little more time talking about your brain's unhelpful default settings, and we're really gonna spend a lot of time in those four strategies, those four areas where you need to focus to get your brain working for you instead of against you. So we're gonna workshop that 2-hour solution, that thing that's gonna help you sleep better at night, make better decisions faster, and become more attractive. We are gonna workshop on what are the characteristics of an energizing goal, help you really understand how to structure your goals in a way that makes your brain go, yes, I want that. And then we're gonna dive in, we've got a bunch of brain tips for better brain productivity. So just a great day to get in a room with like-minded people and learn. Cheesy motivational speaker line, all ships rise with the tide, but you gotta be in the water first. So listen, we got a special offer that we put together for NAIFA members. So get with Kendall if you haven't already. We got an order form that's available for you. Come spend the day with us. It's gonna be about 9 in the morning till about 4 in the afternoon. We're gonna serve you lunch. We're gonna be at the courtyard there in town. If you've got questions for me on why you should attend, what you might get out of it, all my contact information is going to be the end of this video. Otherwise, man, I'm really looking forward to getting a chance to meet you at the end of July. Make it a great rest of your day.